You nearly ended up in water then.
I nearly fell in water.
I like this.
Yeah. Welcome to Valencia, guys.
Come and join us. Hi, Bob.
Hi, Bob.
Say good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
That's it, I'm done.
Hasta pronto. I'm just walking through here. And so you can hear a bit of traffic noise, but if you look behind us up there, you've got city scrapers, Macri, big office,
A bit like
and everything
being
else.
in Central Park.
But then just in here you can just hear the birds and the wood pigeons. And
Yesterday when we came in, just very briefly, there were people laying down under the trees, sunbathing.
there's some guys over behind us that way doing the
they're doing like a
exercises and that
workout.
lot, and there's people walking and running and
Well, I
cyclists.
think this is like a cycle sort of jogging path that we're on now. Not that we're going to do any jogging. Not unless somebody says arancini balls that way, and then maybe Andy will jog a little bit.
Oh, we need to go get them.
Yeah.
So we just come under the bridge, picnic area, God knows what else is around here. We used to be able to hire these in Skegness when I was a kid. Inglemells. You would think this is a skate park. It's a bit of a shame about the sign. Look at this. Skate park, kids play park, I'm not sure what it is.
It's cool. It's got climbing ropes over there and everything.
Yeah, and the other places.
Yeah.
So we're trying to work out why there's that. I wonder if that's what they're doing over there then. No, there's a cafe over there. Right. A little bit dark under here. But Helen's just noticed. We're wondering why it's segregated and things like that. And the reason is simple. It's vaccination point. Where people's basically going to get the jabs. That's us. We've done the park and all around the museums of the arts and sciences. We'll put below when we know what some things is, because we're not prepared. And we're now going to head into the city via a church. Helen said while we're walking about, if we see street food or anything, get some. Just spotted somewhere that does cannolis, and we've never had them, and they do arancini. And you can open that. It's a little bit warm.
It's heavy as well.
Oh, we need to get a photo of it as well.
Oh, look at the size of that arancini ball. That's huge.
We'll get to...
This is going to be messy.
So this has got bolognese in it and saffron, isn't it?
Yeah. There. Yeah.
No, you try yours first. Well, I've got a little bit.
It's got peas in it.
No, the only time we've had this is in Rome, and I absolutely loved it. It was my favourite thing I think I've ever had.
You're going to like this as well, but it's a bit greasy.
Is it?
But very, very tasty.
Is it?
Oh, you'll love it, yeah. Yeah, let me... Don't drop it on me.
All down your t-shirt like you did with your yesterday. Right.
That's really nice, isn't it? Very hot.
It is greasy, this one.
Yeah.
I don't remember the others being as greasy.
No.
But
I think one to try, and we'll walk around and see what else we find.
some more of these somewhere else, I think.
There is another one that's doing some of these. So
these are from Divina's Sabores di Sicilia. It's Pasteleria Tavola Calda.
I think the guy was Italian as well.
Yeah. Now, I will say, not quite as good as the ones that we had in Rome in the train station, and I recommend you go to the train station in Rome to get some, because they are phenomenal. Put it this way, I would actually, these are lovely, but I would actually go back to Rome just for those.
We're now going to try some cannelloni, because we've never had those before.
So these are tiny. These are
a couple of mouthfuls each.
That much? So that's a chocolate one, isn't it?
That's delicious.
Is it?
Really nice.
Is it something to add to the list wherever we go? Get some cannellonis. It looks like Oreo.
That's really lovely, isn't it?
The kids would love these.
Shall I
But
go?
they've been on the left.
Unless I buy some in a box and take them back. Although saying that, they need to be refrigerated, don't they? It's just the ricotta one. The last one with the chocolate.
Yeah, the last one was like Oreo, wasn't it? I'm still licking the chocolate all off my fingers.
That's really nice too.
I don't even know how much they were. What did it cost us? Arancini and two of them.
$4.90.
Ridiculous. This is proper. Oh.
Best check this, it's collapsing.
Which did you prefer? Did you prefer the Oreo one or the...
They're both nice, I like them both. That one's not quite as sweet, but it's very nice.
Yeah.
I've got it all on my fingers.
Wow. Oh, that was...
So let's go find the next
let's go find some more. Marks out of 10? 9.
Yeah, that was superb. It's a shame we were walking around the rest of Valencia, because we could have had another half a dozen arancini balls there, couldn't we?
Oh, yeah. But we might find somewhere else that does arancini.
And there's other things. There are other things that we can be trying while we're walking around. It's going to be eat your way around Valencia.
Nothing new for us there then. Mexican. And we've seen Argentinian, Italian, Mexican, Indian, Spanish, lots of Spanish, Mediterranean. So I think Golden 10 is over there, which is where we are tonight. Blockbusters. I was about to say exactly the same. Hi Bob.
Hi Bob.
Is that my Batty?
Yeah,
hi girls.
I bet they don't get any videos.
No, I bet they don't. Oh, it smells good round here.
It smells really good round here.
But there you go.
Restaurant there.
We're in the touristy bit, so we'll probably smells very good. No, is that Italian? Just food. Just looking at wedding dresses in wedding dress shops. So you're not telling me?
Don't flatter you. Yeah, it's not you I'm marrying though. If I ever get married again, it'll be for money. And you ain't got none.
Ooh!
What?
A bit full of yourself thinking that I'd say yes.
I'm just putting you straight before you get any ideas.
Anyway, look at this beautiful church.
What, next to the wedding dress shop?
Next to the wedding dress shop, yeah.
See, now I'm looking at Louis Vuitton handbags, but I'm not buying one of them neither. I'd actually rather have a Louis Vuitton handbag than a wedding dress. So there we go. Oh, maybe we should look at buying these. Strange. Oh, but look how expensive the masks are.
How much are they?
€25.
I'll have a dozen. So yeah, we're going to go and see if we can get into this central market. No idea what's in there, we ain't got a clue. But we'll soon find out. Proper buzzing like it should be, innit?
Really busy.
It's good to see this. It's a bit scary, but good to see it. Oh, this is ace. This is a proper old.
I wonder what build it was. Look at the roof. From the ceiling.
Oh, Eaton's way round Valencia. This ain't going to be cheap. Let's go see which way. That way. Cheap. Oh, I wonder what's in them bottles there. Perfumes, maybe?
Truffles.
Right, we're in the market and I don't know what, she stopped, the lady stopped us and she just gave us some pastrami that is absolutely stunning.
Do you want anything else?
Yeah, I'll try something else. We don't have to have it in the in the fridge. So damn. So what, 2 packs? $4.50 each, and it's proper. So the woman that sold us the pastrami's brought us around to
a little cafe in the market.
Ooh, what's the wine like?
Really nice.
Is it?
Yeah, I can't believe it's such a monkey wine.
So we got the. Oh, she gave us a bit of bread with each croqueta as well.
Yeah, so the croquetas, shall I try one?
Yeah. So these are croquetas de Morcilla. These are Francesca loves croquetas de Morcilla.
Yeah, I'm having to pick it up because it's dropping to pieces. Oh, it's really hot. Don't think it's as nice as them croquetas yesterday. It's nice.
Oh, right, okay.
Not as tasty. So now Andy to try his wine and his croqueta. Yeah, I don't think you'll be able to pick the croqueta up with a fork because they're dropping to pieces.
One's alright.
Yeah. And I think you'll have to pick it up with your fingers. They're hot, aren't they?
Very tasty.
I don't think they were quite as tasty as the chicken ones yesterday. I think the
No,
chicken
but I
ones
wouldn't
yesterday were
complain
nice.
with them.
Oh no, not at all. They're
Yeah,
nice.
nice.
Yeah.
I mean, it's cost us. I mean, look at that. All right. They're €1 each.
Yeah, and a bottle of glass of wine's €2.50, so it's cost us €7 for all that. I strongly recommend, whatever country you're visiting, that you try the street food because it's usually fantastic and cheap.
I mean, look here. We've got all the little sausages and that like, in the, and also in the top up there.
Yeah, arancini. Is it recording?
It's a light flashing.
Yeah, it is. I can see
Alright, so
it.
this is pan de queso.
Muchas gracias.
Alright. And it's little. It's 80 cents. It's lovely.
Is that nice?
I'm gonna try this.
Right, okay.
You won't bother me.
Yeah. It's lovely. It reminds me of the cheese scones my Nana used to make.
Yeah, I was trying to think what it reminded me of. So this is the not
an arancini dough, but like a giant
but it
croqueta.
looks like an arancini.
It does, yeah.
And price-wise, I mean, it's $1.75. And she's warmed it up a little bit.
Ooh, it looks like an arancini.
No, it looks like it's doughy
Right,
and
okay.
crispy.
It looks hot. Is that nice? But that's not half, you need a bit more.
So it's kind of doughy.
It's full of chicken and corn and things like that.
Peas, and
Yeah.
so the peas and the corn make it a little bit sweet, but you can taste the peas and the corn in it, and you've got the crispy outside bit like an arancini.
Yeah.
And
Right, I'll save you some of this because this is more than half. I'm so classy. Has it got a little bit of a curry taste to it? That's really nice. It's absolutely full
yeah,
of chicken.
I'm so glad we came in here. This is like you know where we've been this morning, and then this. I mean, look at the. I'm just going to pan behind Ellen.
Yeah, well, I'm
I mean,
stuck
look
in
at
the
the views
face.
for the windows and that lot. And this place is just definitely recommend you come in here and try everything.
Right.
What time is it? Alright, so recommendations are, if you're going to come to this market, probably better to come in the morning, although looking at how busy it is now and it's like 2:30 and they're closing
I
up.
think we're starting to shut. I think about 3 o'clock we close.
Yes, but what I was going to say was, if you come early in the morning, I bet you it's absolutely rammed. Now, I'm a sad git. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, so did I. It's only because we kept eating bits.
Yeah, but it's just, I just love looking at
You didn't
food.
even see us eating the pastrami. She gave us a sample of pastrami
Did I
to
get that?
try. No, we didn't
Sure?
film it.
Oh.
I'm positive, yeah.
That,
We've bought 2 packs of it. It's absolutely stunning.
and it's homemade.
Really peppery. I'm usually not a massive pastrami fan, but that one
You
I.
see, it's, for me, it's one of my favourite.
Cured meats.
Yeah, I'd rather have, if I'm honest, I'd probably rather have pastrami to ham.
Yeah, but that were really tasty. So we've got 2 packs of it.
I don't know how you say it, I think we're in
There's some
there.
some benches over there as well, so I can run sit over there. Yeah.
Beher.
Yeah.
And we've ordered some things that Helen spotted yesterday as we were walking past that looked interesting in the window, and we managed to find the place again.
They're like little cones.
Yeah.
Like you'd get a cone of chips, but this is a cone of
And a lot smaller.
amino iberico, plumia,
And cheese.
and some cheese as well. So we've got one of these. We're going to go and sit on a bench like and eat it.
I don't know if you're going to hear us because of the wind.
This is quite windy. So this is the cheese.
Oh, you got the cheese there, yeah?
Yeah, you've got the plumia, so you need to open it. So this is the. Oh, I have to take that off, won't it, Anta? It's going to blow away. So it's goat cheese, queso de cabra. I like it, don't know what you'll think to it.
Okay.
You can tell it's smoked cheese. I think the taste it's got to it might be a bit of paprika that it's got on it.
I don't dislike that, so
That's alright then. Right, get the what's it on? Try that while I've got the camera on you.
So what's this?
It's plumia, which I think is like
the same as what I keep saying that they're doing at Wine Bar George?
Yeah, but this is cured. This is like Serrano ham. I think it's these like the little end bits that get cut off when they're cutting it.
There.
Yeah.
There's a lot of fire in it.
Tasty or not tasty?
I won't get it again.
Right. Okay. We've tried it, haven't we? Now let's do a swap. Yeah, it's very bitty, isn't it?
Yeah. Chardonnay, I think.
It's alright.
Yeah, it's alright, but like I said, I don't think I bother.
It's just like the little bits that have come off the
Slicer.
I think.
Yeah. Hell, if you could sell them
I'm going to say well
in the bar,
10 out of 10 for
getting rid of your
ingenuity.
yeah.
Don't dislike it. Number 2. So I will leave it.
Helen's looking now. We're outside a bar. With just people watching.
It's Bar San Remo actually. How can we not know that? Our locals at San Remo, where we go every Friday for drinks, and we're actually sat at a bar called San Remo.
Yeah, and they do a cocktail called San Remo as well.
Sandra and Jose, we're here because of you two.
Cheers. We're around the corner from Gordon 10, where we're going later. Chris Shaw, I think it was on Instagram, suggested, and we saw this in the Mercadillo earlier, we try Agua de Valencia, but apparently it's lethal, so we've just ordered one, so we're waiting to find out what it's like.
Between us.
Yeah, we're going to see what it's like.
Might not like it, we might love it and order it, because they sell it by the glass or by the jug. We'll see. And the restaurant that's next to us is called El Grillo, or Grillo Grill. A grio's a cricket or a grasshopper, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Here it comes.
Oh, here it comes.
Gracias.
Gracias. Check that actually. Yeah. In for a penny, in for a
Let me
pound.
just finish what I'm saying. So when we were looking to book restaurants here, Grillo Bar was number 1 on TripAdvisor. And it's funny, we sat next to it now. And El Chocomello, or New Chocomelli, where we went last night, was number 2. Now Grillo's number 3 and Chocomelli's still number 2. And the one that we're going to tonight was number 6, but now it's number 7. So there we go. Shows you it changes constantly. Let me have a try.
It's orangey.
I quite like that. It is very orangey.
But I don't know what they put in it as well.
It tastes a bit gin and orangey.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, I bet we're not going to find anywhere that can get a bottle to stay back with us.
We might do. I quite like that. We might be able to get some Mercadona even.
So, Agua de Valencia.
Yeah.
Cheers, Chris.
Yeah, thanks, Chris. I like that.
Hi guys, we're in Valencia. I have one question. Why the hell have we never been here before? It's great. Come see.
I really like this city.